to the Bicol University Polangui Campus 3D Virtual Tour. We are so excited to show you around and welcome you to our community. Bicol University Polangui Campus is one of the satellite colleges and campuses of Bicol University. It was founded by Don Pedro Ribaya Sabido Sr. on October 23, 1959, formerly known as the School for Philippine Craftsmen, and inaugurated as the Bicol University Polangui Campus on December 14, 2000. Welcome to the Salceda Building 1. The Salceda Building is the main building of the Teacher Education Department, producing elementary and secondary teachers who are morally upright and institutionally competitive. A department that provides appropriate education and training, which is marked by equity and excellence in meeting the needs of students in education. You can find here the Office of Student Affairs. And if you are a certified bookworm and studious type of learner looking for a place to study, the campus library is on the second floor with thousands of books that fit your needs. BUPC Library meets the necessity of its students, academics, and the research community with a multitude range of library services. This is the Audio Visual Room AVR, also called the Old Library. This is a place where students from all classes can engage in meaningful learning. If you are planning to conduct conferences, seminars, and workshops, this is the perfect place. Honoring our flag as the symbol of our country and to give tribute to the national identity, the flagpole that is located in front of the administrative building. The administrative building is where administrative staff work to support and provide guidance on the administration of compliance, financial, and other related aspects of research projects. On the left-hand side of the campus, you can find the Kakapit building. If you have queries and want to get information about enrollment, academic and financial records, and class schedules, the registrar's office is there for you. Along Kakapit building is the Automotive Technology Building and Research and Development Extension Production Office and Physical Development Management Office. Welcome to the Center of Computing and Engineering Studies building, the home of the Computer and Engineering Studies Department, a department where computer engineering and science programs are implemented. The engineering department primarily gives professional and technical training and provides advanced and specialized instruction in engineering and provides for the promotion of scientific and technological researches. This building is made up of computer laboratories, classrooms, a general office, and the lobby, where some students spend their spare time. Located between CESD and SB is the Center for Student Services. CSS houses the Guidance Office, the NSTP Office, the CSC Office, and School Publication. Food is fuel. Be sure to check out the school canteen, which offers a variety of foods to eat. Beside the canteen is a medical and dental clinic, a place wherein primary care is rendered to a sick patient. The Institute of Health and Science building. In front are the nursing lecture rooms. At the back is the Nursing and Health Sciences department. The nursing department facilitates comprehensive, safe, effective, and well-organized nursing care services. In this building, we have an audio-visual room, an office, a lounge, and a garage. is a dorm cell and business center. On the right side is a dormitory, while on the left is a hall. Seminars, workshops, and small events are held there. This is a food technology laboratory. It is composed of the lounge, the sensory evaluation room, and the food processing laboratory. Do you love technology? Do you have an entrepreneurial mindset? Here is the Technology and Entrepreneurship Department, a department where food, electrical, mechanical, automotive technology, and entrepreneurship are provided and taken care of. This is the machine and welding shop building that has classrooms and working areas. Sabido Electronics and Electrical Building has a lecture area and a working area designed for electrical and electronics technology students. There is also an electrical and electronic shop here. The affiliated Renewable Energy Center for Region 5 is on the left side, and on the second floor are classrooms and an auditorium. Campus life would be boring without recreational activities and parties. Here is the BUPC Gymnasium where we enjoy different events conducted by the College Student Council. Very fit PE instructors also conduct PE lessons here. So our tour has officially ended. I hope you enjoyed and had fun, and I'm looking forward to your visit here. Without a doubt, BUPC is a great place to be.